Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyoto-kan. I'm Ryusei. Today I introduce how to make Bonito Furikake. Furikake is a Japanese traditional blend seasoning. We eat furikake with rice and onigiri. And furikake is a good quick weekday meal. And furikake is written by like this. Thank you! I'm so happy many people enjoy the calligraphy. And the way of making Bonito Furikake is so simple and it is very delicious. I hope this video will be interesting and informative for you. Yes, let's make it. At first, I'll make the sauce. This is 20 grams of sake and 40 grams of mirin. I'll heat it to remove the alcohol. Once it boils, I add brown sugar. The brown sugar gives the rich and complex sweetness to furikake. The sugar has dissolved in the sauce. And this is 10 grams of water, 30 grams of thick soy sauce, koikuchi. Finally, 3 grams of kombu. Kombu gives a natural sweetness and flavor umami. I simmer it for 3 minutes over low heat. Okay, I turn off the heat and let it stand for 1 hour. Please give me one moment. My goal is to reach 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. You can know a lot of Japanese food recipes and culture. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Yes, the sauce will be finished soon. 1 hour later, I remove the kombu. The sauce is done. Next, Bonito flakes. Bonito flakes are called katsuobushi and written by like this. This katsuobushi is produced in Kagoshima Prefecture. Katsuobushi is an essential ingredient of Japanese cuisine. I add 30 grams of Bonito flakes to the pan. It is comfortable to work in the large pan. I turn on the heat and turn down to the lowest. Bonito flakes burn so easily, and if they are burnt, the taste becomes very bitter. So please cook them over the lowest heat. I heat Bonito flakes to remove the moisture and break them into small pieces. I mix it by hand and move the pan back and forth. You can mix them with chopsticks, however, it's easier to feel the moisture of Bonito flakes by hand. If the moisture of Bonito flakes is removed, the texture becomes crispy and the Bonito flakes break into small pieces. Keep heating over the lowest heat and mixing. The Bonito flakes turn from soft to crispy. I turn off the heat and make them into small and even pieces as carefully as possible. This work helps to make the look of furikake beautiful. Almost. Okay. The tip is making Bonito flakes into small and even pieces. Then I add the sauce to the Bonito flakes and distribute the sauce to them entirely. I don't turn on the heat now because the sauce and the Bonito flakes burn very easily. So first I spread the sauce evenly over the Bonito flakes. Almost. Okay. Then I add white sesame seeds. Turn on the heat and turn down to the lowest. Heat them to remove the moisture and stir it with chopsticks to separate the Bonito flakes. The smell of sauce and Bonito flakes is amazing. Please look at the bottom of the pan. The sauce turns to brown. This is a signal to turn off the heat. Okay. Perfect. I transfer Bonito Furikake to the flat tray and loosen and spread it quickly. Okay, I let it cool. Finally, this is Nori seaweed. This is produced in Saga Prefecture, Ariake Sea. Ariake Sea is famous for Nori seaweed. I tear nori seaweed into small pieces and add them to furikake. Nori seaweed gives good fragrance and this color makes furikake beautiful. We can cut nori seaweed by knife or scissors, but I love this uneven shape, so I tear it by hand. I mix them. This recipe is easy, but the flavor of this furikake is wonderful. Okay, Bonito Furikake is done. It is perfect with white sticky rice. I arrange it on the rice bowl. Okay, and top furikake on the rice. This is very simple but so delicious. And this furikake is good as a filling of onigiri. The tip of making onigiri is cooking the rice a little bit less water. I add 108% water of the rinsed rice. I'm sure a little bit firm texture of the rice is good for onigiri. Good. I place the rice on a plastic wrap, spread the rice vertically, and put the Bonito Furikake vertically as well. This will allow us to eat the rice and filling from above to bottom. I fold it. Nice. At last, I wrap onigiri with nori seaweed. Good. いただきます。The rice and furikake are perfect. I enjoy the filling every bite. Finally, I'll introduce another way of making onigiri. I mix them, distribute furikake to the rice entirely. Once they are mixed well, I make onigiri. Good. This way is also good. I hope you enjoy Bonito Furikake. At last, I'll show you the calligraphy of katsuobushi. This kanji is katsuo, which means bonito. And this kanji is bushi, which means quarter piece of dried bonito. Thank you. Did you enjoy? Today I introduced how to make bonito furikake and onigiri. And in the future, I'd like to make a video about onigiri. If you like, please teach me your favorite onigiri. Thank you. I hope you enjoy bonito furikake. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.